bit things we can actually start unlocking for you guys.
Oh, yes. I've been waiting.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll be unlocking for you guys miscellaneous, I think Swagger, respulapia, this and that, all is Scrum artifacts. So that's actually the this will be actually the unlocking until this. Actually, until this.
Multiple team working on the same product.
Okay. Will be unlocking until this. Okay. So I'm actually going to tell the team to unlock.
Is there like videos and mostly documents?
Documented process. There is the documentation and the what is called. This is a what is called the. Oh, actually, I can tell you on your project. Please unlock until this module. Oh, sorry. Module name is this. What is the module name was? Can you tell me this? Module name is until.
The multiple teams working on the product.
Multiple teams working on the same product. Okay, multiple teams working on the same products, right?
Scaling Scrum.
Teams
Working same product.
It's boring. It's most of the thing is like you know the process. Yeah, your main work is actually the product development. Okay, any questions so far? So we'll be actually unlocking all of this for you guys, and then we'll actually go one by one to discuss. We give you guys enough time for the user story and the epic. Everything is done today, and then nowadays we'll be actually unlocking and we'll be going over one by one what it is. But in general, I am not happy with the performance. You guys need to perform a little bit more aggressively. And the consistency need to be there, continuation need to be there, and then the good teamwork is important, and those are things need to be improved. That's all I can say. The giving a lot of contents will not be helpful until you know each of the content meaning, and those content goes to your brain, and you can actually speech it out as you like the show and tell and presentation. And then you cannot just completely saying that I have a work, nothing will work. You are not doing any presentation. And Faria, I'm expecting more presentation from you. So prepare the presentation and then sit down with me.
What would you like me to present next?
Oh, you don't know anything. How about that?
Wait, what?
You don't know anything until you present to me. You guys know nothing until you present to me. So why you say, what do you want me to present to you guys? Why did you say that?
I'm just asking.
No, you have to present every topic you can present, right? The user story, today's topic you can present. But no, you're asking, every time you're asking this question, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Just asking for the topic.
Oh, topic is we covered every week. So the user story is one is done, right? So why not you write like the today's one, you write today's one, you can do a good presentation based on our platform. You write your own epic, you write your own feature, then I will identify you. Then you can walk me through, hey, this is actually the feature I selected. This is actually the user story. You have to be hands-on. If after I tell you, so you need to prepare presentation of the whole diaspora platform. Epic, you have to write down how many epic you can write. Features, you can write down how many features you can write. User story, how many user story you can write. So you can actually implement this in a multiple, actually the show and tell. Now, if you say what I'm going to present, then it's a problem. Then I will not tell you anymore because you guys are not able to catch up actually what would be the presentation. because one of the responsibility will be, you will be actually the ambassador in the team to implement the Agile Scrum and bring the culture of the Scrum culture. But anyway, can you prepare today's one presentation? Exactly, not means you will be learning today's one, and your presentation should go maximum 1 hour, minimum
Okay.
50 minutes.
Based on today, then I'm just explaining the whole process. Do you
No,
have
I develop everything for you in front of you.
Oh,
Why
you mean like work
explaining?
on the no, I meant like,
Yeah.
the things you went over today.
Yes,
But-
and I develop in front of you. If I write, it will take 8 months because we are developing 1 year, 4 months this platform, right? I showed you one. Now you have to break it down because show and tell means I gave you one to, if you understand it, now you will expand yourself and then get down all the user story done. If I find out you guys are not doing your work, I will be ignoring you. We'll be done our work. How about that? If I find out that you guys are like taking the things as like a learning, training, what do? We just ignore the team. We get our work done. Decision is yours. Because those user story will be studying developing. Actually, some are already being developed. Okay. So if you keep saying what I will do, it means it's a concern. So you are you guys are in the mindset of the training. Welcome. That's not a big deal. Good. So this one you should be able to, and the user story I gave you, you should be able to do the show and tell on that. Okay, because those user story, those features are not, those functionalities not exist today, right? Correct? And you are the one who is writing the user story, and the developer will be developing, and you can see it is actually on the production. You should be proud for that. That yes, whatever I did, I actually write the whole user story, development team work, and actually is deployed. I am giving the show and tell. That's actually the work. Do you know this? Do you guys know this?
Yes.
Famida, do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm giving you prepare show and tell on last week user stories. Prepare show and tell on today's workshop. Thank you. And you guys, if you guys do yourself, that's also great. If you do not do it, it's you take away. You can do your own the show and tell as well. The same thing.
Okay.
You guys can combinely, you do yourself, combinely make it better. That's the expectation. But do not think she will do, you will not do, because she is going to her job, you'll be going your job. The thing she does, same thing you have to do, and that's how you do. It's not like a one-person job, because she will go her job, she will be shining, and if someone is saying, "Oh, it's your job," oh no, it's nobody's job, it's my job, because you are all paying together. Good.
Yes.
And Fahmid. Where is she? Nurza. Thank you, guys.